Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. By the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. I'm getting ready to cut off the rest of my texlax hair. If you're new here, hey child, hey. 6 months ago I texturized my hair, and then when it was time to touch up my roots, I just didn't want to, and it wasn't for any reason like I'm all of a sudden anti-relaxer, anti-chemicals, or none of that. It was like, do I really want to do that? Nah, my heart wasn't in it, and I don't do anything that I don't want to do. And since I didn't want to, I didn't. And so what ended up happening was, as time went on with me becoming more active on YouTube, that meant I was doing my hair more often, and all that manipulation finally started causing breakage at the line of demarcation between my natural and my texturized hair. So maybe a week or so ago, I went ahead and cut my hair. I know I wanted to cut off all the texturized hair, but I didn't want to traumatize myself, so I gave myself a mini big chop. But tonight I ended up coloring my hair, and I don't know what it was about me seeing that red hair that just brought up some just like razzle dazzle in my spirit. And I said, you know what, while I had a bonus, let's cut it. So we're finna cut my hair off.
Hey child.
So I am not a professional. Don't come on here judging me. I'm just gonna do what I can, and that's that. So, all right, so you can pretty much see very bluntly that the line of demarcation is right around there. So I'm gonna go up some and cut. Grab another chunk. I can see very clearly to cut there. Whew, child. It's just really interesting. I didn't want to cut it this short, but at the same time, I'm just like, girl, it's hair. It'll grow back. So I'm going to do a little bit more on camera, and then we are going to cut the camera off so I can get in the mirror and get real close. And then I'm going to come on and style my little teeny weeny afro. Cut. Alright, so I got off as much as I could, considering I can't see the back of my head. I ain't gonna lie, this gonna take some getting used to, cause woo child. But let me go ahead and wash my hair and see what I can come with as far as style. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I put Eco in it, but the thing is, I've never had hair this short in my life, and I don't know what to do with it. So I'm trying not to freak out, but I really hate it. Like, I hate it really bad. And part of me is like, I shouldn't have cut off the texturizer. I know in the end I made the right move, but I really hate this. I've never had hair this short, like ever. So I don't know what to do. So I'll probably spend some time on YouTube looking up some short styles. I don't know what to do with a teeny weeny afro. And even when I big chopped before, I wore wigs until I grew my hair out. Wigs and braids, wigs and braids. I never wore my natural hair. So this is culture shock to me, and I don't know what to do. And y'all know I usually like to crack jokes on my videos and stuff, but I believe in giving y'all the real, and realistically, I don't have a joke to crack right now. I don't like having short hair. Maybe if I put on some makeup, I'll feel better, but right now, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. And I feel like I jumped the gun too soon listening to other people tell me what I should do. And I'm like, well, maybe I did make a mistake. Maybe I should go ahead and pick child. But no, I should have followed my instincts and kept my hair in transition. So yeah, I'm not too happy right now. I don't know what to do with this hair. I really hate it. Oh my God. Like, this is what it looks like when nothing is done. Maybe I should go get it professionally cut, but right now I am not okay. So I'm gonna do my slick back. And I'm not someone who is emotionally tied to my hair or nothing like that, but I just want it to be a hair that I can manage. And right now I can't manage this. So I don't know. And I'm gonna just tell you, tread lightly in these comments on this video. Tread lightly. I'm gonna just gel it down. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna gel it down and just rock out until I can go get some braids or a wig or something. Yep, I'm getting braids. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me some braids and call it a day because this is not gonna work.
Eventually.
Morning sugar. So listen, I just filled in my brows and I just figured I'm not emotional anymore about the decision. I'm okay with it. I don't like the look, but I know this is what I need to do in order to let my hair thrive the most. I don't regret texlaxing at all. And if I was not a YouTube content creator, I probably would have maintained it a lot longer and or touched up my roots. But I feel like for where my life is headed, I need to really go back to my natural hair. So I know I did the right thing. I'm just not comfortable with how I look just yet. So what I'm gonna do, because you ain't gonna never knock a good girl off her game, I'm gonna do this makeup. Eyebrows filled in. I'm gonna take some of this ColourPop Pretty Fresh primer. It's actually a moisturizer, so you can go a little heavy with it. So I'm gonna put this on real quick. Foundation, I'm using Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 338 Spicy Brown. Concealer, ColourPop Pretty Fresh. CoverGirl Loose Setting Powder. Artist Couture by Jackie Anna. Alright, so I'm gonna put on me a little lash and a little gloss. I'm gonna take the scarf off and go on by my day. So here is the plan going forward. I am definitely on a growth journey. This is me. I'm on a growth journey, so I'm going to be taking hair and nail vitamins to help promote growth from the inside. I'm going to be using my growth oil blend that I've used previously. I'm going to do that to promote growth from the outside. I will not be manipulating my hair as much, which means I may cut down on some of my hair content on YouTube in order to give my hair the rest that it needs to really grow. I probably won't be posting as much, meaning not every other day like I was. What else am I going to be doing? Growth oils, vitamins, protective styling, and really just leaving my hair alone and just letting myself go through the process. Am I happy about this cut? Absolutely not. Do I feel like it was necessary to really see my hair flourish? Yes. Do I have any regrets? Absolutely not as far as my journey, because I had fun and life is too short to be taking hair so seriously. And the only reason I'm uncomfortable now is just because I'm not used to my hair being this short. So what I did last night after I kind of stopped recording, I spent some time on YouTube, and there's this girl, but her name is Lynette, and I watched one of her videos on really styling your teeny weeny afro, and I got a lot of really good tips, so I'm confident that I'll be able to style in the future. But for today, since I had already gelled my hair down, I was just like, let me just leave it alone, because I don't want to be doing the most. So I'll be styling soon in the next coming days, because I want to make sure I give myself a protein treatment, because I did add a really dark red to my hair, and I don't want to get breakage there. So yeah, I'm gonna be making sure I stay on top of my deep conditioning once a week, maybe sometimes twice, and doing everything I can, or everything that I did before, to be able to go from a teeny weeny afro in 2016 to, at the beginning of 2019, my hair was way past bra strap, almost waistline, and I did that on my own with no tricks or gimmicks, just making sure I took care of myself. So yeah, this is my new journey, y'all. I did a big chop. This is the back. This is my true curl pattern. Even though it's slicked down, you can see them waves busting. And yeah, I ain't no jokes in this video, y'all. We'll cut up in the next one, because I got a new product that I ordered that's coming in the mail, and I can't not wait to try it. Yeah, but we'll style later. I just wanted to share with y'all, I finally cut my texturized hair off, and this is my natural texture. So I'll see y'all real soon, probably in the next coming days, because I do want to go ahead and style my hair. I can't keep it slicked back for the rest of my life, or until it grows some more. So I'll see y'all later. Bye, child.